Cato and the Late Show Band, everybody. Folks, I love science. If I didn't know anything about science, there'd be nothing to complain about while watching Pacific Rim. Why didn't you make your giant robot bigger than the monster? Why is it exactly the same size as the monster? That's like bringing a knife to a knife fight.
Come on. Come on.
Bring a gun. Do they have guns where you're from? Why are you just punching the monster? I'd like to tell you all about the latest science news in my long-running and deeply treasured segment,
The Sound of Science.
Hello, science, my old friend.
I love that. Everybody loves that graphic. That's a graphic. First up, archaeologists in London are piecing together thousands of shattered fresco blocks from an ancient Roman villa in what's being called the world's most difficult jigsaw puzzle, a title previously held by the Ravensburger 1000 Pete's Cats Galore. All the cats look the same. They all look the same. We only have this Airbnb for 2 weeks. I love a puzzle. You like a puzzle?
Good puzzle. Love it.
Oh, that is a mind number. I love it. Next up, scientists have genetically engineered a lethal mosquito STD to combat malaria. Great. Now when I get a bite, I don't have to worry about malaria, just mosquito herpes. You had an ethical duty to inform me so I could inform my lovers. Next up, a breakthrough discovery shows that moths listen to plants. Scientists hypothesized that this was the case after observing that moths always got plants exactly what they wanted for their birthdays. How did it know? How did the moth know the plant wanted boots? It's been long known that plants make sounds in the ultrasonic range when they're stressed, but now for the first time, researchers have shown that insects can hear and interpret plants' acoustic distress signals. Acoustic distress signals, of course, also the name of my suburban hardcore dad metal band. Acoustic distress signals. We rock pretty hard.
We all rock out.
We rock pretty hard as long as it's before 7 p.m. Out of respect for the neighbors. Our neighbors have a newborn. It also means no fireworks in the summer. Next up, do sloths fart? A cute new video finally settles the age-old question. I'm sorry. That's an age-old question? I didn't even know it was a question. But for those who are curious, the predominant theory for years has been that sloths don't fart. Yeah, they swear they were just moving the chair. Until now, folks, scientists thought that sloths' digestion was so slow that they just absorbed methane into their bloodstream. But this video proves otherwise. Look down below the water and bubbles. Good for you, science. Just a really quick follow-up question. I assume if you're doing this, cancer's all cured, right? If you have time I missed the parade, because there had to be a parade if you cured cancer, right? Next up, according to food safety experts, to avoid food poisoning, you really should be washing your watermelon. Too many fruit rules. What's next? To tell me I have to peel the banana before eating it and not bite into the side of it like a horse? Next up, scientists in Switzerland have invented a special toilet for cows to cut emissions. Curious how that works? No? Too bad. First, cows are lured into the freestanding cow toilet with feed, then are stimulated between the udder and the vulva so that they can urinate, which they say is way more effective than the old method of waiting till they're asleep, then putting one of their hooves in a bucket of warm water. Next up, between the udder and the vulva, you gotta stimulate. Next up, a new study says glass bottles have been found to have up to 50 times as much microplastics as plastic bottles, likely due to the paint on their caps. For instance, Snapple caps. with those fun facts written inside of them like, you're gonna die from a brain full of plastic, plastic man. The team, everything's killing us. The team behind the research is French food safety watchdog Ansys, famous for their slogan, you got questions? We got answers. French ones. We'll be right back with Fred Armisen.